Yo, what up you guys, me Lucas one doing a survival gear video for you guys today. Cheap but very nice, if you ask me. Super duty flashlight from Walmart. It's a camo, if you can see. There's the keychain. This is a very crappy one. I mean, I could make my own, but I don't feel like it. You can tell it's like nylon. See, this is metal. This is plastic. See, it's not on. How bright it is when it's on. Now it's dark. Very bright flashlight. Very nice flashlight. I mean, if you need to change the batteries. All you do is screw off the top. Like this. It comes out like this. Very nice and convenient. Very nice flashlight. That's, if you ask me. Thank you for watching, and I still have my lanyard or my everyday carry knife, which right now I've been going to RTC orientation, so I have not been carrying my knives. Been in my bed with my tactical flashlight. Does not work because it needs the batteries, and the glass broke. See, because I banged it down with something hard. Still a good weapon. My other clicker, and my flashlight. Thank you for watching. Check out the links in the description. Don't forget to check out my Twitter channel. Follow me on Twitter, you guys. Check out my YouTube channel. Look at all my videos, please. I need the views. And now I'm kicking butt on the jailbroken iPod Touch 4G from Evasion. There's going to be another one of those coming soon, so check it out. I'll put the link in the description whenever it comes out below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, and peace, you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.